In this troubleshooting guide, I'll show you how to fix a Hisense VIDAA Smart TV infrared remote that is not working at all or has slowed or delayed response. Let's get going. The very first thing you need to check is that nothing is blocking your Hisense Smart TV's infrared receiver. And you also need to point your Hisense TV remote towards the TV when you're trying to use it. But if your remote is still not working, then we will check if it's working or not. You can easily do that by pointing your remote at your smartphone's camera, then by pressing the buttons. When you're pressing the buttons, if you see a flashing light but the TV doesn't respond to your remote at all, then we will cold boot our TV and the remote. You can take out your remote's batteries and keep it like that. Then also unplug your TV from power and wait for a couple minutes. Then put the batteries back in, plug in your TV and check if the remote works. And if there's light, but the TV sometimes responds and sometimes doesn't, you're getting slow or delayed action, or if there's no light at all, then you need to change the batteries. If your remote still isn't working properly even after changing the batteries, then I'll show you how easily you can open up your remote and clean it, which will fix this issue. First, you need to take out the batteries. And at the bottom of your remote, you'll see two clips holding it together. To unclip them, you can use a flathead screwdriver. Now, using the flathead screwdriver, push these clips down as you can see here. And after undoing these clips, you can pry it open by inserting the screwdriver from the sides and twisting it gently. And just like that, your remote should come apart in two pieces. Now take a cleaning cloth and you can use any kind of cleaning agent or rubbing alcohol to wipe both of these sides clean. After cleaning, you can clip in both the parts together, put the batteries back in, and now your remote should start working without any issues. But if you don't want to take apart your remote, you can use your smartphone as a better alternative and control your TV. You can watch it now by clicking on the card. And that's all. Let us know how it went down below and I'll see you in the next one.